Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today my topic is introduction of NLP and the role of NLP in our daily life, and how can we manage our life to use NLP techniques. NLP is a new science, which means neuro linguistic program. The neuro linguistic program in neurology. Neuro means neurology. Neurology is a mind. Linguistic means language. There are two types of language for communication: verbal and non-verbal. And third is program. Program is the meta program. What is meta program? Meta program is the program which is saved in our mind, which are depend on environment and experiences. We can say that the memory saved in our mind from our birth till the end. This is called a meta program. It is totally depend on environment. So, NLP works on mind and tells us how we think, how we control our thoughts, and by NLP communication model, we learn how the perceptions develop in our mind. As you know, everyone have the different perceptions for same thing. Some people like dark scent and some people like the light scent. Everyone have the different point of view, the different perceptions. When we learn NLP communication model, we learn how any perceptions develop after was state develop, either resourceful or unresourceful. Resourceful means all the positive state like love, kindness, hope, joy, etc. And unresourceful state like loneliness, hopelessness, angry, anger, like this. The resources are totally depend what we create in our mind first. I'm talking about the thought now. So we can say that if we control our thought, we can control or be the master of our mind state, or become the master of our mind state. If one a time we learn this, we will have a command on our communication with ourselves. Wow, what a beauty of this NLP. It works in thought. It works in other words, we can say that we can trap the bone of contentions in start. No violence, no misunderstanding, no fighting develop. The second point of NLP is very, very important. Tells us how to set our life's goals by the hacking of brain. Yes, it's true. Actually, the NLP trainer or practitioner know how NLP works, and he knows the language of mind. So he or she uses the technique of mind by which he or she can hack the mind, and then he or she transfer his or her command directly to the subconscious. And as you know that if any command reach at the subconscious level, then subconscious level at the subconscious level, then subconscious will start to prove it true, because our mind cannot differentiate between imaginations and true. And in the hacking process, there is a some visualize process, some imagination process in the technique which an NLP trainer use. Okay, so when the subconscious will start to prove it is true by connecting with universe, the subconscious will connect it with universe, and universe will respond as per sending signals. Signal means thoughts and commands, right? The third point is the NLP techniques which is used for boosting the confidence. The name of the technique is the circle of confidence. It is very beautiful technique. And another technique are the presuppositions. Actually, the presupposition, you can say that the presupposition are tools, beautiful, powerful tools, on set of tools which improve the confidence if we learn it and integrate it in our life. A human born with 80 to 100 billions of neurons, and one neuron capacity is 82 GB. With the passage of time, these neurons, if the neurons are not in use, then they will destroyed by the body automatically. If these neurons are used, they will remain. Okay, that's why we say that use your mind or unlock your mind. Intelligent people use their mind, and that's why the process of new neurons formation is continue in their mind. That's why they are intelligent. After the age of 13, the process of neurons formation gets slow, and the process of neural connections is also get slow. So NLP have a technique for fast this process of neuron formation. The name is neurogenesis, and the new neural connection making, the new neural connection formation, and the name is neural connection formation is neuroplasticity. By the technique of NLP, it can be fast at the age of, at any age, you can say that, at any age. An old man having the age of 100 can be live with the strong neurons and neural connection. And if someone have the strong neural connection and strong neurons, he or she have a strong immunity in his body. We can say that the immunity is depend upon neurogenesis and neural pathway, neural connection as well. So people who said an old age people can't survive at this pandemic situation of COVID-19, it is wrong information, because there is no connection between the age and the immunity. We can get strong immunity at any age. Immune system also depends on our mental state. If someone have the fear in his or her mind, he will get the low immunity, or we can say that he or she will lose his immunity. And if we lose our immunity, then any germ can damage us or destroy us. One more beautiful technique of NLP is for those who have the chronic memory or have the past painful memory in their mind. And if they want to get right from this technique, from this memory, they have to go to the NLP trainer. He or she, I mean NLP trainer, have ability to erase this particular memory from the mind by the NLP technique. All the psychosomatic diseases, cancer, BP, sugar, etc., are also cured by the NLP treatment. And the people who have the depression and anxiety, they can be treated by the NLP trainer. NLP techniques and NLP techniques used for a student. A teacher who learn NLP can easily deliver their lecture because they learned the learning methodology. They learn the mind science. They learn the human psychology. Actually, in the classroom there are different types of peoples, different types of students are there. Some peoples learned auditory, some students learned visually, and some are kinesthetic. There are three types of people lives in this world. NLP train the teachers or trainers about these types of people and learning methodology, so that so that the teachers can be delivered their lectures easily by learning this NLP techniques. NLP for a student when the student learn the NLP, they learn how to learn and how to memorize any chapter, any lesson for a long time, and etc. Thank you very much.